Can anyone see? Okay. So sorry. We're gonna do. If you have seen my whatchamacallit again? The coal miner, blah 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 furnace thing. Okay. And I told you to dislike it at least. Someone already did. It's good. And furnace. First, what I'm gonna do. Well, the only thing I'm gonna do. Sorry, I'll show you things you can do with the furnace. Well, the first thing you can do is I gotta buy all the materials. Wait a second. Sorry. Let's see. Well, I need iron first of all, gold, titanium, carbon, and a few other things. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. So I need to buy fuel. I'll just buy some lava buckets. Well, the thing of fuel is pretty much coal, lava, torches, or anything else made of wood or coal. What about a lock? I should have bought 100. Why am I so stupid? Oh. Okay. So I'll put in the furnace. Okay, so first thing I'm going to show you is carbon and titanium. Now, you're probably wondering on my last video, why didn't a titanium bar work? Well, I'll tell you why. Because I found out later that I couldn't figure out how to make a steel bar, and I looked up on the one thing where you press RB and then it tells you, or LB, I forgot. And then it said putting what was it again? Carbon and iron. And then I got titanium, which is awesome. Now get out of there, carbon. Okay. Next thing is steel. Steel ingot. Carbon and iron will create. What? Oh, maybe that's switched around. Yeah. Wait, what? There's something wrong that I did. It's weird. It's not working for some reason. Oh. Oh, wait. No, wait. That doesn't make any sense. Something's wrong. Maybe I mixed the wrong stuff. Oh, iron ingots. Yeah, I forgot. You have to mix an iron ingot and carbon. I forgot. Mix an iron ingot and carbon. Then it will make a steel bar. Not just the iron ore. Iron ingot. Okay. Next thing is gold. Gold, not with carbon, to make a gold ingot, iron to make an iron ingot. Mix that. Oops. If you burn an iron ingot, it will turn it into 180 gold pieces. So, say you wanted like craft the shop. Like, say you're in legendary mode. Wah, 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 I don't have the shop. What do I do? Then you can make some coins. Which is, yeah. And then, how do you make C4 again? Oh, yeah. So, there's a zillion more stuff. Well, there is, you can cook. Oh, and there's this glitch, this bug or something that was weird that I can do with food. You put some food in, and you just wait for it all to burn up. So I'll buy another furnace. And then, I'll just check it once in a while because there's only one way really to do it. Then, you get the, okay. Oh yeah, so pretty much you can cook food. Next, I'm going to show you what you can use for fuel. You can use, oh yeah, I already told you. Well, oh yeah, I gotta show you the glitch. Well, pretty much, the glitch is that you can get over a stack of 100. So like, I wait for all this and then I can get a stack of more than 100. That's pretty much, oh yeah, and you can cook. Like, once you get platinum. What? I'm putting something on YouTube though. I'll do it in a second when I'll do it when I'm done. What? What? What do you need? I'm almost done. And then you can just cook diamonds and ruby ores, and that's pretty much it. Bye.